Welcome to Recalibrate. I am Himanshu Jain. For many of us, doing fine just isn't enough. On this show, we talk to those who shifted from stable jobs to building real estate, businesses, and true legacies. If you are ready to pivot and own your future, let's recalibrate. So today on Recalibrate Desi Real Estate Podcast, we have Ashutosh and Neeti Pandey from Greensboro. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ashutosh and Neeti, they have built a rental portfolio and they have created a parallel stream of income for themselves. And they're getting towards the financial freedom. And we're going to talk about this journey today. And we'll see in terms of how they have been able to do this while working their regular jobs. It's a pleasure to have you here. And
Thank you for having us.
Likewise.
Yeah. So while we were talking about, you just mentioned that you came to US in 2000 and then you bought your first real estate rental property in 2015. So to me, I think that's the period, this is the foundational period where you build on or you build the foundation on which you could build what you were planning to do. So just talk to us about these years, what you did, how you did, and what your journey has been in this period.
Thank you, Himanshu. We came in 2000 in America, and I was earlier working in Air Force and then in telecom. So when we came in 2000, चीजें चेंज होती रहती हैं। तो उस समय जो है वी वर ऑलवेज हम सोच रहे थे कि भाई वापस चले जाएंगे। तो उस समय जो हमारा रियल एस्टेट था वो हमने इंडिया में लिया। बैंगलोर में मैंने लैंड लिया, बैंगलोर में मैंने क्या कहते हैं फ्लैट लिया, देहरादून में मैंने लैंड लिया। एंड दीज थ्री आर कहते हैं रियल एस्टेट ही था। बट देन जब हम अमेरिका में थे एंड वी रियलाइज दैट इन अमेरिका एट दैट टाइम आई वाज ओनली वर्किंग। That time we realized that we need additional sources of income. Financially we had to then जो कि एक regret है। तो उस तरह से रहा। तो इसलिए 2000 then I started and I just bought one because I was doing consulting, so I did not get a loan. Too much of paperwork and I thought that these guys are just मेरे को लटका रहे हैं। तो then I said okay let me go because I was determined. So I went full cash देके। Greensboro is a small town. 2015 में मुझे क्या कहते हैं रीजनेबली प्राइस मिल गया था। 8% रिटर्न भी आ रहा था एंड मैंने कहा चलो एक ले लेते हैं। दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड। यू वांट टू से ऐड समथिंग?
या हम लोग वी स्टार्टेड स्मॉल क्योंकि हम वी वर नॉट श्योर कि हमको यहाँ रहना है और वी हैव टू गो बैक टू इंडिया। देन फाइनली जब बच्चे यहाँ बड़े होने लगे देन वी फिगर्ड आउट कि भाई वी आर गोइंग टू स्टे हियर। एक बार ग्रीन कार्ड आ गया, फिर सिटीजनशिप आ गई, तो फिर तो वॉज डिसाइडेड कि यहीं पे रहेंगे। बच्चों के फ्रेंड्स वगैरह सब थे यहाँ पे। हमारा भी फ्रेंड सर्कल काफी हो गया। पेरेंट्स भी आते जाते रहते थे। तो वी बॉट आवर ओन कॉन्डो। We started our venture धीरे धीरे करके।
So Ashutosh just mentioned, right? You were a dentist in India. And then you started, I think, you started your own health supplement online business, something like that, right?
Yes.
So talk about that transition for you from being a dentist and getting into the online business. What kind of challenges did you run into? How was this transition for you?
This happened. I was a dentist and I wanted to practice dentistry in US, but Indian degree is not valid here fully. You have to still study. So I started preparing for my exams, but I had two little kids and I found it really expensive.
And plus I was in consulting, so I was always moving from state to state.
Yeah. Right. So I was all alone with two kids and parents unfortunately could not come to help. So I decided कि this is not going to work. मेरी एक friend है यहाँ पे, so her husband started into supplements, so we decided चलो let's start this together.
Okay.
I first did my health administration at associate degree here in US. फिर लगा कि नहीं, this is also not going to work out because it is a 8 to 5 job and Ashu would be out. So we figured to chalo, my friend and I started doing chalo, let's start this venture. So dhire we started and it started picking up. We got a good response and from there on it picked up. Everything worked out pretty well. So we have been doing it for quite some time and happy about it.
I mean, they started selling on online, but not health supplement initially.
Okay.
They started with the different products, and then they finally saw that more potential in health supplement,
Okay.
and now they settle with.
Okay.
Now it is the up to क्या कहता है ठीक है.
All right.
Because
So
काफी
that
सारे rules and regulations होते हैं
Right,
यहाँ
right.
पे. We decided
Yeah.
going with health supplement.
so that become your
worked out well.
regular. That become your kind of a regular job or a regular means of income for you, Neeti. And then Ashutosh, for you being a telecom professional, right? That's what you did initially, right? I think
Yes.
even till recently, that's what you were doing, and you bought your first condo or was townhome, you said, in 2015, and then you build your portfolio over a period of time. So
That's
talk
right.
about that initial things that you ran into, right? You mentioned one, which was that issue that you had where because you were on 1099, you were not a regular W-2, both of you were working your own thing. It was difficult to get financing. That was a challenge. And that's why you pivoted or you recalibrated and said, okay, I got to do this and I'm going to do it on my own way. And you do it, just acquired it buying cash. And that's the kind of philosophy you want to build, just buy in cash and build your portfolio over a period of time. So talk about in terms of what challenges, when I say it is, what kind of resistance or issues that you ran into while you were looking for properties or while you were, so just talk about the journey in terms of what your buy box was, what kind of things you were looking at, and just the whole thing, how you have accumulated this over a period of time.
We started in America में मैंने 2015 में मैंने I bought it, the first one. I bought it first one, very reasonably priced and in a very good location. Location was location का जो है वो नीति देखती थी. Location, school, highways या and shopping complex, ये तीन
And
factors हमारे.
property का ambience and everything.
And plus हमारा criteria रहता था, if we don't want to stay in that property, we don't buy it.
Okay.
ये हमारा वो रहता था. तो वो उस criteria पे हमने प्रॉपर्टी हम लेते थे. तो पहला लिया और आराम से क्या कहते हैं उसमें जो है बहुत सारे क्या कहते हैं वो आए रेंटर्स एप्लीकेशन आए, तो वी नो कि हाँ भाई ठीक हो गया. देन तो चैलेंजेस में ऐसा था कि प्रॉपर्टी तो मैंने उस समय पहला लिया, फिर दूसरा लिया, तो उसमें मुझे जो है क्या कहते हैं वो आने लग गया, रिटर्न आने लग गया. जो रिटर्न आने लग गया एंड ठीक है, स्टार्टेड स्मॉल बट दो तीन प्रॉपर्टी का भी रिटर्न जो है काफी अच्छा हो जाता है. मतलब इट्स 1/3 ऑफ योर जो मैं कमा रहा था उसका 1/3 तो आने लग गया था.
I like that thing that you mentioned to me, that you were looking at it in terms of how much money this thing is bringing you, and then you said it can cover 3 months of my living in a year. Yeah. So your model was, okay, how can you make it so that you can cover all your expense?
Exactly. It gave me confidence.
Yeah.
कि भाई मैं क्या कहते हैं कंसल्टिंग करता हूँ, अच्छा चलो मेरा 3 महीना 4 महीने का हो गया है, तो अगर मुझे वेट भी करना पड़े, मैं फैमिली से दूर नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं वेट कर लूंगा. So that gave me strength. And that story when अब उसके बाद पैसे खत्म हो गए. उसके बाद फिर मैंने कहा कि यार अच्छा चलो मैं जो मेरे
friends, that's true. I mean, I've gone through the same thing. Yeah.
तो जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको है, मैंने उनको पिच किया कि देख भाई मैंने ये लिया है, मेरा इतना आ रहा है and I'm feeling good, बहुत accumulated है, but I can't go all way. At that time it was again all way, like all cash in, क्योंकि सेम लोन तो मिल नहीं रहा था. उसके बाद फिर 2-3 और क्या कहते हैं दोस्तों के साथ भी लिया. देन फाइनली आई रियल स्टेट वाले लोगों के साथ मैंने वोकैबुलरी बढ़ाई, तो एक रियल स्टेट का बंदा मेरे को मिला. हिज नेम इज आल्सो जैन. उसने मेरे को कहा आप कमर्शियल लोन ले सकते हो. मैंने कहा अच्छा. बोला कि वो जो ट्रेडिशनल लोन से थोड़ा परसेंटेज ज्यादा लेते हैं. मैंने कहा यार कोई बात नहीं, मैं दे दूंगा. तो जब मुझे ये पता चला अच्छा कमर्शियल लोन है, तो उसके बाद फिर मैंने जो मैंने फुल्ली पेड दिया था उससे मैंने लोन उठाया.
Exactly.
उसके बाद कमर्शियल वाले में उसके बाद, and that's how I built my portfolio.
I think that's the beauty of real estate, that you can refinance, you can pull your money out, and then you can reinvest that money, and all you're doing is you're putting in 20%, and then the rest is being financed by somebody else, by the bank or whosoever. Yeah. So that's good. And you talked about your buy box. You said you were buying in places where you were comfortable living. That was one of your criteria, other than the school district and all that. I do the same way. I think my criteria is if I can go and collect rents in the evening in a location, then I'm comfortable with it, right? Then I can invest there. Otherwise, I would not invest. St. Louis, here we have pockets where certain pockets I am not comfortable going there in the evening. So those are not areas for me, and that's how I have been investing. So this is good. So one thing I want to know more about is you mentioned while you were building this portfolio and you were working on your W2 as well. So you're doing two things simultaneously. And same, this is true for Neeti too. She was working her business and while she was helping and you guys were managing the portfolio that you have created. And so talk about in terms of how you manage both and what kind of challenges you had. I know you were traveling too, and I was a traveling consultant myself too. So that challenge is always there. And I think this would be a good thing for the listeners who want to get into real estate and they are on W2. So just share in terms of what your journey has been or what you did to manage both sides of these, the W2 and the business or rental.
What ma'am, I was on W2, she was also running her business, and apart from that, we were heavily invested in real estate. में जो हमारा challenge रहता था, एक तो ये रहता था कि भाई खरीद तो लिया है, evaluation कैसे करना, how to evaluate it. You want to speak on that?
हाँ, वो सारा मेरा डिपार्टमेंट है. I put listings on Zillow, and Zillow has its own rental application. So I have a fixed criteria कि I put in income for 3x the rent and credit score 650 and above. But most of the time, America में I have seen that people do not qualify for credit score many a times. For that, we worked out certain ways, and it 1-to-1. This is my first thing. I have to talk to the tenant, be tenant one-on-one. So once you are talking to them on one-on-one, काफी कुछ पता चलता है तुमको, एक body language and everything. So once I feel comfortable with it, everything goes on well. So I give that property on rent even if they don't have good credit score. And luckily we have had very good tenants and कोई problem नहीं हुआ है. But ये I would stress because many a times property management को दे देते हैं, so that one-on-one thing is not there. But I personally feel that one-on-one was one of the greatest thing that helped me in this property management.
Right. And then
property management जो है उनका interest lies somewhere else. They just want to put something so that they can. और हमारा ऐसा है कि भाई वो हमारी property है. तो क्या कहते हैं हमारा क्या कहते हैं interest lies with ourselves. कि ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को भी
you want to make sure that the property, whoever is living in there, they're going to take good care of the property, right? You don't want to put at risk.
And second factor is now that that Airbnb has come, right? So some people we have faced that they took property from us, but they did to somebody else.
Oh, okay.
And वो जो है क्या कहते हैं हमने तो अपने प्रॉपर्टी में रखा था कि भाई we are not because थोड़ा प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज हो जाती है. So क्या कहते हैं उन्होंने जिसको और को प्रॉपर्टी दे दी उसका पेट भी था और ये भी था. Then when we realized और दूसरा every 3 months in the contract we write कि हम जो है वो vents change करेंगे,
filters change करेंगे. I do personally.
No, that's a good idea. I think that's an excellent idea. I never thought of this, but it's a good way of getting in and making sure that things are good inside the unit. That's a very good idea.
एक तरह से contact भी रहता है आपके tenant के साथ. So इस तरह से if you are talking to them plus giving them good services, a happy tenant is always a good tenant. That's what I've seen.
No, this is good.
वो point जो नीति ने बताया था, the tenant who comes and जो carefully घर को देखता है ना rent करने के लिए, they are good tenants. और जो casually देखते हैं वो मतलब they are not that.
So have you ever thought about getting into multifamily or scaling it up? Are you guys thinking on those lines too?
Yes, I am. I'm thinking on those lines. And अभी जो है Niti has done her real estate license also. And she's also looking into it.
Okay.
तो हमारा जो है क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं and background में जो है मैं feelers काफी friends and family को मैंने दे दिया कि यार look we have gone small right now let's scale it up. ठीक है क्या कहते हैं अब फाइनेंसिंग का भी आइडिया है क्या कहते हैं थोड़ा कैपिटल हमारे पास भी है एंड राइट पीपल टुगेदर वी कैन डेफिनेटली गो ऑन अ लार्जर स्केल एंड ग्रीन्सबोरो में अभी इतनी सारे कम्युनिटीज बन रही हैं कि इट्स ग्रोइंग लॉट ऑफ लाइक many Honda and all those people they are coming.
That's a big part of having investors in. So once you take care of that, they and का steady flow आ रहा है अंदर, no problem. So they are happy to invest.
And now we have some reputation under the belt. So that also helps.
Now it's a good time to scale for you guys, right? You can go for bigger properties, maybe 30, 40, 50, 100 units and then manage. Though it's a little, but I think you have enough under your belt in terms of scaling it up and bringing in the efficiencies, as they say. So that's good. Yeah, one thing you mentioned to me, I think, while we were talking about, you mentioned about a lunch that you used to organize on one of those days, and then you realize how. Just talk about that in terms of how that helped you changing your mindset. I think that's an important aspect. What I want to highlight here is how the company matters, how company changes your mindset. So why it's so important to have the right company. So talk about that. Yeah.
तो जब मैंने अपना क्या कहते हैं इनिशियल तो मैं फुल ऑन कमिटेड,
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद जब पैसे खत्म हो गए तो देन आई सेड ओके चलो मैं अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स लोगों को बुलाता हूँ. आई कॉल्ड एवरीबॉडी ऑन लंच. दे वर 10 odd people. मैंने कहा यार ऐसा करते हैं हम सब लोग सम अमाउंट, तो 50,000 100,000 जो भी है डाल के, एंड दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी दैट यू नो वी विल बाय. एंड एवरीबॉडी पार्टिसिपेटेड बट नोबडी कमिटेड.
Okay.
लेकिन जब वो उन्होंने प्रॉपर्टी, जब भी उसके आसपास जाते थे बाद में 7-8 साल 10 साल बाद, वो मेरे को कहते हैं पांडे हमने मिस कर दिया.
I know. मैंने भी कई बार उनकी वाइफ से सुना कि नहीं, वो बोल रहा था कि
इसको लेते हैं.
आशुतोष had put in a really good, क्योंकि उसके बाद when he was negotiating all this, उसके बाद there was a boom here.
Yes.
Properties में, and then they realized कि बहुत बड़ी mistake
हो गई.
Had they invested it during that time, it would have given them a big profit.
Yeah.
And you also,
all would have. मेरी philosophy ये है कि you know if you want to go far, let's all go together. My core principles are everlasting learning, meaningful work, enjoyable work, मजा है, and third is a relationship. So relationship में friends, family, everybody.
that's very important that the things that you highlighted. Relationship is important. Your money is important, yes. Your expenses, those are the things which help you build your wealth, right? I think those are some of the pillars of the wealth. And relationship, time, because that's what you're buying. I think that's where you're changing your mindset from being an employee to an owner. And you had mentioned about that too. So talk about your mindset change, when that happened and what the change was. Like typically they say, like as an owner, right? You want your money to work for you. As an employer, you trade your hours for the money, right? And you realize the same thing when you invested, right? So talk about that mindset change as well.
देखो mindset change, let's say बचपन में जो है मेरी मम्मी मेरे पिताजी को हमेशा she used to hound, और उस समय सरकारी नौकरी में घर का लोन वोन मिलता नहीं था.
Right.
एक मकान चाहिए, तो वो भी मेरे दिमाग में था कहीं. रिटायरमेंट हुआ, देन सडन सिक्योरिटी केम कि अच्छा चलो भाई हमारा भी एक घर है कि नहीं. उसके बाद फिर मैंने सोचा यार चलो ठीक है, क्या कहते हैं रियल एस्टेट का काफी, इंडिया में तो ज्यादा रियल एस्टेट का होता ही था, तो वहां से मैंने वो रियल एस्टेट का शुरू किया. एंड देन व्हेन आई केम टू अमेरिका इट टुक मी सम टाइम टू एक्यूमुलेट, क्या कहते हैं, प्लस व्हेन आई केम टू अमेरिका काफी सारे फंड्स मैंने वापस इंडिया भेजे थे, विच इन हाइंडसाइट नाउ आई फील कि अगर मैं उस समय यहीं पे करता तो ज्यादा रिटर्न मिलता. क्योंकि इंडिया में आप करोड़ों का घर लो, मतलब गुड़गांव में मेरा 7-8 करोड़ का है, वहां 65,000 मिलते हैं. That is just, it's a waste.
Yeah.
So that's when that realization came, and फिर मैंने जब यहाँ पे लेना शुरू किया, and plus when I felt supported by the income कि हाँ this is good.
Yeah.
उस समय मेरे पास एक होता है कि you know the guiding principle is we make ourselves by the possibility we see in ourselves. I could see that कि ये possibility है, और इस possibility से जो है आराम से मेरा जो है financial independence का goal तो हो ही जाएगा, which I think I have achieved it. अब जो है थोड़ा उसको scale करने का वो कर रहा हूँ. So that's how I got into it. And once I had that conviction, I could tell it to my friends, family and everybody and get them also along.
Right.
कि भाई ऐसा भी है, let's now go.
पर हमने positive भी सुना है. Whoever has invested, they have always said this has been one of our biggest investment and returns भी अच्छा आता है. So good investment.
और not only वो मुझे ये भी कहते हैं पांडे हमने गलती की यार, और भी लेना चाहिए.
I know. Because उन्हें तो सिर्फ profit मिल रहा है, right?
Yeah, exactly, right?
Passives of property management. So they're happy.
Yeah, so they're passive investors, right? They basically, you are taking care of, you are the operators, you are managing everything, you are finding the property and you are doing all that. So that's where you are bringing
They are in big cities. In big cities, price tag भी बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
हमारा जो है क्या कहते हैं growing city है, उसमें potential भी ज्यादा है, opportunity भी है.
And that way, North Carolina is really, it's one of the major hubs now, right? With a lot
Yes.
of jobs coming in, with a lot of
Right.
potential there. So Raleigh is
Mhm.
one of the top hottest areas when it comes to real estate now. So,
Oh
and
yes,
you are just
राले
next
10
to
साल में
Raleigh.
इतना हो गया
Yeah.
है कि
I know.
Yeah.
अंदाजा नहीं
Yeah.
होगा.
Yeah. 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 And then you also talked about, you just mentioned about the limited possibilities. And Neeti, I was reading, you had mentioned somewhere imagination is better than education, right? That's your philosophy, or that's something which you go by. I don't know who mentioned that. So can you talk about that, and why do you say that, and what your experience has been? Why do you say imagination is better than education? So any of you, yeah.
Yeah, imagination, if you imagine, you work towards it. मेरा सबसे बड़ा philosophy है. If it comes in your mind, you are invested in that project.
Yes.
तो एक बार वो दिमाग में आता है, you're working at different ways, different venues to see how you can achieve your goal.
Right.
And definitely, if you're working towards something, you can dream, because if you're dreaming, you can always put in effort to achieve it, and achieve करते हो आप.
And I think that becomes it's the more like an intention, right? When you put your intention to something, that's when things starts to happen, right?
Yes.
And I think Ashutosh and we were talking about manifestation, how things manifest, right? And I think I agree with the belief that you're talking about, that we limit ourselves by limiting our thought process itself. Because once you believe that it is doable, then it automatically happens, right? It manifests by itself. And that's what you were talking about, that when you bought a first property, that's buying one or two properties is easy, because your mind knows that it can be done, and that's why you're able to do it. It's just that you have to recalibrate your mind to the fact that it's doable. You have to just believe in it, and then you can move forward and you can get it manifested. Yeah. So I completely
कई बार देखा है ऐसे कि कई बार आपको लगता है ओ इतना बड़ा चीज है, कैसे होगा. Like sometimes 3-4 प्रॉपर्टीज मार्केट में एक साथ आ जाती है, लगता है कैसे होगा, बट हो जाता है. Somehow you get that strength to do it. तो हो जाता है.
Yeah.
तो मतलब कुल मिला के मेंटल ब्लॉक जो है ना, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा वो होता है, क्या कहते हैं, हर्डल होता है. इट्स लाइक द मैराथन वाला, क्या कहते हैं, एक मैराथन वाला रेस वाला बंदा कहता है कि हाफ द डिस्टेंस आई रन विद माय लेग्स, रेस्ट ऑफ द आई रन विद माय माइंड. तो वो होता है. एंड सेकंड इज योर रूटीन इज अ साइन ऑफ योर एम्बिशन. आपका रूटीन क्या है, वो आपके एम्बिशन का साइन है. Those things
I think there's I completely agree with that, and I think this is what I'm noticing too. I think having some rituals in your daily rituals helps you, and having the determination or discipline. I think discipline is more important than motivation or inspiration.
Absolutely.
Because discipline is what makes things happen. I think that's the key thing. And I've heard this and I've seen it many times, and I've personally seen it, right? Motivation can only take you so far. It's only the determination, it's only the discipline which gets you to the place or the destination where you want to. So yeah, I agree. Yeah. So you also mentioned that you have working towards, or you already have your kids invested in real estate. So talk about that mentality, why you have them investing in real estate early on. So what's going on there? What's on your mind? What are you trying to do there?
Well, जो मैं खुद मानता हूं कि अब एट दिस एज आई हैव टू बी ए मेंटर टू माय किड्स. इन लाइफ इफ यू अवॉइड स्टुपिडिटी यू लैंड अप फाइन. तो आई सेड कि यार तुम लोगों को सिर्फ रियल एस्टेट पे अगर तुम घर खरीदोगे तो तुमको पैसे मिलेंगे, मतलब somebody will leverage you. तो इसलिए जो है मैं अपने बच्चों को मैंने कहा चल भाई तू इसमें लगा. प्रॉपर्टी तो हम कर ही रहे थे, तो हमने कहा तू भी अपने नाम से ले ले. और उसमें पहली प्रॉपर्टी में जो है गवर्नमेंट जो है $10,000 का वो भी दिया था उन्होंने, टैक्स रिबेट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड व्हेन दे सॉ कि अच्छा अब उससे भी क्या कहते हैं, दे वर सपोर्टेड बाय इट, राइट. रेंटल तो आ ही रहा था उनका, दे वर सपोर्टेड बाय इट, एंड इट्स बीन व्हाट 4 or 5 years. एंड दे रियलाइज कि अरे यार प्रॉपर्टी भी का प्राइस भी बढ़ गया. सो नाउ दे फील कि यू नो दे आर, मतलब मैं उनको कहता हूँ कि भाई तू अपने आप को, बच्चे लोग जो है ना डरते हैं. कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आता है व्हेन यू टेल देम कि अरे भाई now you are a money management of $1 million, but at least that is your wealth management. इतना तो wealth manage कर ही रहा है. That's how I try to give them confidence कि भैया अपने आप को underestimate मत करो. I used to feel happy. I went to Palm Beach, and Palm Beach में there is no property less than $5 million, and I used to drive through that. And I used to feel happy. I thought, yeah, some guy made, and
Yeah.
no envy.
Yeah,
Envy
yeah.
has got
Yeah.
nothing to do with
Yes.
to get inspired.
Yes.
And अच्छा लगता था.
Right.
So that's
right,
how
right.
I said ki haan. And I hope I'll be a good mentor. The
No.
correct question to ask is,
Hmm.
will I be a good ancestor?
No, that's
Not only of
yeah. Yeah. I completely agree with you. I think it's especially people who have come from outside, like for people like us who are immigrants here, the initial part of our journey is, as I said, it's all foundational work. And you're building from scratch, you're building for nothing here. And then slowly, with hard work, with all the savings, it just doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. And I think that's the learning which we have gone through, and we want to make sure our kids have that kind of an experience. Though they have seen us, वो उन्होंने देखा है हमको, लेकिन फिर भी then gives them the confidence, as you said, 200,000, 300,000 का लिया, लेकिन it appreciates, you're getting rental out of it. So I think it gives them a sense of managing money and how you can make money. It's not about just trading for hours. I think that's the mentality. That's the mentality that needs to be changed. I think that's where the mindset has to be changed, that you don't have to trade your time for money. The money can work for you. And that should be the aim, that your money should work for you. Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. It's not money. We are building a machine that creates wealth, and then we enjoy.
Yeah,
उसको कहते हैं कि my action should be so loud that you should not be able to hear what I say.
Yeah. That's a good way to put it. Yeah. So anything else that you want to share with our audience here that has helped you culturally or philosophy wise, or any book, anything that you want to share here with the audience, or that you have?
I would like to say here that Ashu and I have been a team, a good team. Ashu is into investment and I'm looking into the property, managing property. तो हम दोनों का जो है अच्छे से चलता है. Like we might not always be on the same level or thought, but still we managed to work together, and it has always worked out pretty well.
Yeah.
I would say कि कोई भी start, there is no point in thinking कि यार पहले करना था या करना था. Start now.
Yeah.
Start small. Start small. It's fine. And small में जो है क्या कहते हैं वो भी होगा. क्या कहते हैं risk is also less. But start.
Yes.
And just start and then build a team. People who are जो कि आपके साथ के ही हों. और अगर आप टीम बना लो तो बहुत अच्छा है. Like I said, वो उस समय टीम बन जाती.
Right. No, real estate is not a solo game. It's more of a team sport only. You have to have the right people in.
And real estate जो है, तो real estate was the मतलब जिसने पूरी दुनिया चलाई थी. तो real estate is a game, and it's a game that's forever, and it's a जो wealth का power होता है, it's transportable. आप उसको बच्चे को दे सकते हैं, किसी को भी दे सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. It gives you freedom.
Right.
जो मैंने शुरू किया, that's what I would advise anybody. Don't wait for anything. Start now.
Vision tha. There was always a vision.
Yeah. Real estate, as you said, it's a team sport. You have to, if you look at it, even though you are managing a portfolio of rental properties, but you need handymans, you need HVAC guy, you need a lot of different people who help you get things done. And that's where the team sport comes in. You have to have your team in place. So anybody who's looking to invest in money, they need to make sure they have these kind of people accessible, and they have already identified these people who they would work with. I remember when I bought my first multifamily, I had interviewed many property managers, I had interviewed many companies, and then I picked a couple of people who were part of my team when I first invested. Yeah. And having a
Himanshu,
team is
you're
very
exactly spot on.
Yeah.
कि लोगों को डर लगता है कि यार अगर प्रॉपर्टी ले ली तो किसको बुलाऊंगा, कौन क्या करेगा. लेकिन एक बार आप ले लो, अब एक नहीं आया तो दूसरा आया, तो यू फिगर आउट कि कौन बंदा जो है सही है. एंड देन यू वर्क आउट, एंड दैट गाय आल्सो वर्क्स आउट विद यू.
Yes.
कि अच्छा है, ठीक है, अभी ये ऐसा कर देता हूँ.
Good business.
हाँ, गुड बिजनेस. और नॉट लाइक दैट, वो बंदा जब मेरे पास आता है तो जो मैं दूसरों से जब बात करता हूँ, वो मेरे पास एक अच्छा बंदा है, ये कर देता है, तो उसको भी पता चल जाता है कि यार ये भी बिजनेस मेरे को दिला रहा है. तो इट्स अ टू वे स्ट्रीट. So you're right. Exactly.
So what any advice that you would like to leave it with our listeners? And I think I want to hear advice from both of you, especially because you both have different kind of backgrounds, right? And especially for Neeti, you have been running a business and then real estate. And being a dentist, so for you, there's a lot of transition, right? A lot of different hats that you have put on. So just talk about in terms of any advice that you would have for listeners.
Yeah, I would like to say dentistry was my dream business because I had put in so much of effort, years of learning, practice. But then finally, if I did not get a chance to pursue my dentistry here, so I started looking for, so you should not stop. Maybe one thing doesn't work for you. Always look for something else that you might be interested in, where you would like to put in your effort. So don't just stop and look back and regret over things. Always look forward. There is always some opportunity that will come your way and you'll do good in it.
Yes, yeah.
And don't get scared to dream.
Yes,
Dreams can take you to places.
Yes. I agree with that, yeah. Ashutosh, what about you? Yeah.
मैं यंग लोग या किसी को भी कहता हूँ, देखो पैशन जो है वो कभी फट से आएगा नहीं. It never comes. You do things, and when you do things, you will like something. So that's and never wait for something कि अगर ये इवेंट होगा तब ऐसा होगा. ये ह्यूमंस के साथ ही प्रॉब्लम है कि वो लोग जो है प्रेजेंट में रहते नहीं है. वो तो पास्ट में रहना चाहते हैं या फ्यूचर में रहना चाहते हैं. You know, birds and all those, I don't know कि साइंटिफिक क्या है या क्या नहीं है, but I think they live in the present, which is fine. So whatever, जो भी कुछ करना है आप शुरू कर दो. Invest till it hurts.
Yes.
And then you will find the pleasure. कि अच्छा आ रहा है. You don't have to, one has to be curious to live its life. That's it. Otherwise life can be a boredom. Be curious, invest, do things and find yourself. I like walking. मैं तो क्या कहते हैं पैदल चलता हूँ. And most of my ideas come when I walk. That's my advice to everybody.
Start. Basically start. Don't just thinking about it. Just you got to take the first step, right? Yeah. I think Ashutosh and Neeti, thank you for your time. This was such a nice conversation. It was a pleasure to have you both and talk about your journey. And I'm sure there are good things that people can take from this conversation, from this journey. And I'm hoping this is going to inspire some people who are sitting on the side. They have been thinking of doing these kind of things, but they have never recalibrated. So I'm hoping that this will give them the fuel that they need to recalibrate in a way. So tell us how people can reach out to you, how the listeners who want to get in touch with you, what's the best way for them to reach out to you guys?
I'll share the number with you. You can reach out. And email address is fine, and LinkedIn is also fine. And we are also planning on creating our own like a website or something.
Yeah. Okay. And Neeti, what about you? I think you're a real estate agent too, right? So
yes, I am. Yeah, same. Anyone wants to get in touch, phone number is best. And I'm on Facebook and I have my social media account. So please feel free to get in touch anytime you want to invest. And I'll pass on my experience that we have learned from 2015, the good experiences, they're all yours.
And anybody wants to start in their own town, we are okay. Like in one of the life's pleasure is when you help somebody and you see a smile on them. That's priceless.
Very well said. So thank you both for being on the podcast once again. Thanks a lot for your time, and I look forward to having more conversations sometime in the future, especially once you have done your multifamily, right? So that would be a good time to bring you there.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you for having us.
Take care. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Do you have a story that vibes with the Recalibrate theme? If you have navigated a parallel path or shifted your mindset to create a legacy, we want to hear from you. Reach out to us if you're interested in sharing your journey with the world, or if you know of someone whose story could inspire our community. Please introduce them to us. Let's continue to show that we are only limited by the possibilities we see within ourselves. Thank you. Thanks for listening to Recalibrate. If you found value today, please subscribe and share this with someone who's tired of just doing fine. Check the show notes for guest details, and until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep inspiring. I'm Himanshu Jain, signing off. Let's recalibrate.